Hi everybody, this is Kevin here with Earth and Turf Products. I hope you're having a great day. Today, I wanted to talk about our 410 SP. This is a new product for the year. It is a 35.5-inch wide, 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel steer, fully hydraulically driven stand-on top dresser. It's very unique to the market. It's meant for the landscaper that has a large top dressing portfolio, that has a lot of residential needs. So what we did was we took the concept of our first model, the 415, which is a large stand-on top dresser, and we narrowed it down for a yard gate for residential use. The 410 SP is capable of spreading compost, topsoil, or sand, any moisture content up to a ½ inch thick. Perfect for lawn leveling or lawn renovation use, as well as top dressing. So if you want to follow along, grab a coffee. Let's see what we come up with here on the deep dive into the 410 SP. The first topic I want to address with the 410 is the fact that it has a 13 horsepower Honda engine. It's very easily accessible. Essentially, the Honda engine powers a hydraulic pump, and that's what gives power to the machine. The controls for the 410 SP, you have your ignition, forward reverse, spreader on, throttle control, and steering wheel. Something to note is when you engage the parking brake, you lock out the forward reverse feature. So you have the assurance of knowing that you're not going to tear up your tires with the spike pads that go down onto the wheels when engaging the parking brake. The 410's dimensions are very compact, meant for trailer space savings. The platform actually flips up, so the overall length is going to be 70 inches long. The overall width is 35.5 inches wide, and the height at the highest point is 46 inches tall. This is a very compact machine that is highly productive. Lastly, I wanted to discuss our brush expeller system. So the brush expeller system is perfect for those who want precision. They don't want to fling materials into garden beds or onto sidewalks. It lays a perfect 30-inch drop, and it's like that every time. When you turn, the inner radius is the same as the outer radius. You don't have to worry about spreading too thin on the outside as you turn and too heavy on the inside as you turn. The main conveyor belt actually moves with your ground speed, and then you have a metering gate up front which allows for regulation of thickness. You could go at a very slow speed of 2 miles an hour, or you can go at top speed of 5.5 miles an hour, and you're going to get the same thickness every time. It's really all in the metering gate and how you have that controlled. You can go all the way down to 1/8 of an inch or up to a ½ inch thick.
Thank you so much for watching this video. The 410 SP is a simple, well-built, efficient top dresser that'll fit on almost any landscaping trailer. If you are interested in purchasing a 410 SP or any other top dresser, please feel free to give us a call. You could also head to our website and fill out the free quote form at the top, and one of our sales representatives, maybe myself, will be in contact with you very shortly. Thank you once again, and I hope you have a wonderful day.